Fish on. Oh, I'm getting a fish. Fish on. Hey guys, it's Dave from Banana Sack Outdoors, and we are at the Hennepin Canal, and we are still in the 5x5, which is channel catfish and carp. So I got my carp gear, I got my catfish gear, and I've heard there's big catfish, decent sized channel catfish, and there's flathead in here. Flathead don't count in the tournament, but it'll be awesome to catch one. And then tons of Asian carp, which also don't count in the tournament, but I'm guessing there's common carp here because common carp are everywhere. So we're gonna give it a shot. Never fished here before, seems pretty cool. So we're gonna cast out some lines and see what we can catch. There's dead Asian carp all along the shoreline, so obviously people are catching those. So if we can hook into one of those, we can cut it up, use it for some cut bait. Also brought a cast net. Also brought my ultralight rod if we need to catch some bluegills or something like that. Got night crawlers, got pack bait. But let's get started. Like I said, I'm still in the 5x5, which is 5 channel catfish. Your best 5 channel catfish and your best 5 common carp. So let's see how we do. Let's get started, guys. If you're liking this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, possibly leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Let's start this fishing adventure right now. All right, cast net, guys. Can we catch some fish with a cast net? Ooh, that looks like a good net job. And I caught absolutely nothing. Super shallow right there. Holy cow, I can see my net. Oh, I caught a shad. Let's go. Let's go. We got bait, live bait too. We got some live bait. Not gonna even dump this thing. Look at this, guys. Look at that. You guys see that? We'll take it. Should I cut them or should I use them as a full bait? I think we should cut them, right? Cut them in half, then I got 2 different baits. Let's cut them in half. We got some bait for catfish. There we go. Look at that. Maybe I'll try to catch a couple more. We'll wait till we run out. Then he might just ate it. Which they did stop now, but I'm gonna give it a couple more seconds, see what happens. We're out of cut bait though, if that's the case. If he takes it. And there's the bites again. Fish on. Fish on. Doesn't feel big. Oh my God. Let's see if I can just bring them up. It's a cool looking gar. I think it's a spotted gar. Is he twisted? How to get in this thing? Oh, he swallowed it, I think. Don't bite me. You guys see this thing? He's cool. Cool looking. Oh yeah, he's, oh no. I can get the hook out. He is bleeding though. Cool looking spotted gar. I would weigh him, but he's bleeding too much. I don't want to kill him. Yeah, do I just cut the line? I think I just cut the line. He's bleeding pretty good, but I think it's a spotted car. Look at the, maybe short nose. See the spots on the top? Cool looking. It's a little sticky. You guys see it? Let's drop him in. So that's what's been eating my cut bait. Hope the water was deep enough for me to just drop him like that. I don't see him, so I think he's alive. Those fish are really tough. All right, one fish. Yeah, I didn't bother weighing it. I know it's a rough fish, but it was bleeding pretty good. So I figured why murder, or why waste more time of it not being in the water, you know? It's probably only like a pound or two. Oh, I'm getting a fish. Fish on. Fish on. Jeez, how far did it go? That thing, I think that thing was way out there. Oh, did he pop off? He popped off. How the heck did he pop off? My method weight was in a weird spot, but he popped off. I had to go running. You guys see that? I had to run with my pants. My pants are coming off too. They're too big for me. They're too big for my britches. But there's fish here. That's a good thing. It didn't feel super big. All of a sudden I look and I see my rod just bouncing. I think if I was close and just didn't let it take it for who knows how long it was going for. You guys like that? That's pretty. That's a pretty view. Oh. So I don't know if you guys heard, I was talking about how in this town, there's a town right on the other side of these trees over here. And there's mallard ducks just walking through the city everywhere. Like groups of like 20 of them. They're not flying away. They blocked the road. I couldn't get by them. And look at what's coming towards me right now. Hello, kind sir. He's all quacking. You guys can't hear him, but I can hear him. He's quack, quack, quack. Are you a male or female? I would assume he's a male. Just by himself. I can't tell. Look at it. Look at his little mouth just going. He probably smells my corn. What are you doing, bud? Hey, what's going on, buddy? You want some food? Okay. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, hey. I got some stuff for you. Oh yeah, he's eating it. Hey, bud. That's where I wanted my last cast. I had my two lines too close together. Oh, I got a fish on. Didn't even know he was on. Fish on, guys. Oh, he's coming my way. There he goes. He's a little bit of a screamer. What do we got here? We got something on. got a fish on. I don't even know if I came back from BRB. I gotta use, it looks like the net's just an extension of me. Got it. We got him. Didn't even know he was on. Let's freaking go. Second fish of the day. I noticed a little nibble here and there on that line, but I didn't know he was already on. He's gonna count. Just a little carp, probably like a 3-pounder. Just a little 3-pounder. What the heck? How did I hook this thing? Okay. He like pierced himself. I mean, I caught him the right way, but it looks like he's been caught before. He's got a hole in his lip. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, look. You guys see that? Look at that lip. We caught one though. I just gotta find my scale, wherever I put that. Did you guys, oh, I see it. Oh shit, my other rod's going. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, I might lose him. Second fish. Might have 2 in the same net. I gotta somehow, so the other one's not hooked. I gotta try to net 2 at the same time. He's a little bit bigger, this one. Not that much bigger. Oh. Okay. I got 2 fish in here. Can I just weigh them both at the same time as one fish? Two carp in the same net. Let's freaking go. Let's go. What did I do? All right, let's get this one out. You can just stay here. Let's weigh the first one, and then I'll and I brought my scale with me, I think, when I went running. Look at this little cutie pie. Let's go. Nice little carp right here, guys. Here you go. Have some fun, buddy. I think I found where the carp are. Just took some time. Yeah, they really hooked themselves good. Gotcha. hooked myself, almost hooked myself. Are you guys ready for the second one? You guys ever seen the show Two Fish, One Net? Oh, that's what just happened. This one's just a little bit bigger. He's probably like a 4 or 5 pounder. Here's the other one. Check it out. Check it out, check it out. Okay, cool. And you saw everything? Okay, cool. All right, guys. This is the second one. Probably like a 4 or 5 pounder. The first one was probably like 2 or 3. But yeah, back to back. Back to back carp. Here we go. It's like 8 feet deep right there, at least. When I came running, I had my scale in my hand when I ran to go get the second rod, and I didn't realize it was connected to one of my rod holders, so I'm dragging a rod holder with me too. But thank you guys. Woohoo, we did it. We caught 2. We caught 2, babe. We got 2, babe. Let's go. We're there. And I caught them on both baits. Both baits. I had 2 different baits out there. Thank you guys all. There we go. That's some excitement for the day. Bunch of bull honky going on, and then back to back. Should I call myself the two-time carp fisherman? I'm not a champion though. I'm a 2-time catcher. Sweet, 2 fish. What, do you guys know the weights of those fish? Oh no, I think I might be too far away from my chat phone right now. Hold on. Almost didn't know where I was at. I gotta fix my other drag on this. Okay, that's good. Alright guys, this is a few days later because my outro, the mic was muted. Well, not muted. It was the battery for my mic died for my GoPro. So I made an outro while I was at Hennepin Canal, but there was no sound. So yeah, so we're doing it here. But thanks again guys for all coming in, and it was a fun time at Hennepin Canal. I'm definitely gonna go back. That last couple hours where I was fishing was where I caught the carp, and there was tons of fish swimming around there. Had some more bites, didn't have any more takes though to catch one. I did miss the one as well, but I think I want to try that spot a little bit more. I want us to try right below the spillway, but I need to bring some kind of net that can reach down and grab fish if you hook into a flathead or something like that. And then also I want to go to the next lock, which I did go, and that's where I was going to fish originally, but I had no signal. So when you are in these Twitch carp or carp and catfish tournaments, you do have to catch them live on stream. So I have to be live, people are watching me, and then you have to weigh it on stream for it to count. So when I was up there, had no signal, my live stream wouldn't start. I had to move to places where I found connection, and that's where this other places where I caught the spotted gar and the 2 carp. So, but I do want to go back, try the other places just with my GoPro cameras, just to make a YouTube video and see how I do out there. And I heard there's big flathead out there, channel cats, bunch of carp, Asian carp. What else? A lot of people catching bass out there. This looks like a great place. I see it on Facebook all the time, people catching fish out there. So definitely going to go back. It's like an hour drive for me, so it's not terrible, maybe an hour and 15. If I wanted to go to some of the further locks, it'd take a lot longer. But yeah, definitely a cool looking place. I enjoyed it a lot. But yeah, we'll go check that out sometime down the line, maybe even sometime this year. But guys, thanks a lot for coming in, watching this video. Possibly leave a comment, and also give a thumbs up if you want. And I'll talk to you guys all later. Peace. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop.